Alright, right on your right, right on your right. That line is them, right on your right. Get the back rear passenger. Back right rear passenger.
Yep. Handcuffs? Yeah. Okay.
Well, what the fuck did I do? It's not mine.
Sorry, don't worry about that one.
No, what the fuck? Ow!
Stop moving.
No.
So, for some kind order, believe it or not.
Hey, do a search on him, or do a search on him, and then all right, my volume's down, but it's gonna be 10-4. Huh? Yeah, I'm turned down.
We 10-4.
Yeah, I'm down. Four pole one, I see. Four pole one. In reference to 4 pole 6's screen, can you do a 29 check on a firearm for me? Black Glock 19, George Charles, Sam 851. That's just ash. You just hold that like that. Thank you. Should be fine for now. 10-4. Thank you. Positive. Do you have your work phone on you?
Yep.
Okay. Can you just do a, do you know how to do this?
I've never done
Okay, I'll do it then. I'll do it. It's easier than if I do it. All right. Put this on your floorboard.
You want me to grab the rest of this in there or just?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah. What's up? All right. Yeah, let me talk to you. Let me just talk to you 1 sec, okay? I'll get with you in a sec, all right? And we'll talk a little bit more. Where's this? Can you just do me a favor? Send this to Detective Perkins. She's gonna have to stand by for 1 second. Ma'am, you mind just standing by for like a couple more minutes and I'll be with you? Okay, thank you. I'll be with you in a sec, boss. All right.
Is yours still?
Yeah.
Nice. Perfect.
Huh?
Is that soda?
I didn't get that far yet. Do you mind just can you send it to yourself? See, just make sure that export is saved. It's the test for the cannabis.
So.
Actually, leave it. You can leave it like that. It'll still pop up on the phone. It's fine.
You just hit the. Yeah, you just hit.
Yeah. Did you hear on the 6-0 stolen?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I just want to get with Monzo. I just don't want to interrupt him. No, then I was just gonna have you watch the car because I have the 0 in the front there.
0 in the front?
No, in my passenger seat.
Just lock it. I'll keep
I
it.
did. I just went.
Yeah, I'll keep it on.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think we do. I just want to.
Yeah, no, I feel you. I just told her she's being super cool about it.
Yeah.
Who's the two kids?
Huh?
Who's two kids?
Where?
Who's this kid?
Oh, I don't know him. That's the RO. It's Jaquan Ross. How you doing? All right, so the case officer, he's talking to the individual in the back. No, Jaquan's in my car. I'm not. He's being super cooperative. He's not like. We're not really looking in for anything right now. Okay, so I know are you his girlfriend? Okay. He's fine. He's in the back of my car. I'm just gonna talk to this officer, make sure we don't need you for anything. I'll get you out of here as soon as I can. Okay.
Okay, wait, so can I drive the car? I'm licensed, so I don't want to.
You have a valid license?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Yeah, I don't see a problem with that. Let me just talk to my partner real quick, and then we'll go from there. Okay.
Taking this car?
Yeah.
Roger. 10-4. Stop. 29 check is stop.
Perfect.
Um,
So we're probably gonna want to do.
we do have a fresh blunt in the pocket of that door where he was sitting, tested positive for THC. I have the results on mobile detect. I will make sure that stuff is added to the screen if it's not. No, I can tell him that. Okay. And all right, dog. Sorry.
Oh, you
Is this checked yet?
Yes, I checked that. I just ended the passenger
Trunk?
front or the trunk.
Okay.
By the trunk.
Okay. Hey, girlfriend? No, I'll photograph it now.
We don't have anything to put the name of what's
Okay, I think we might just have a civil. Hey, where was the weed in the front? How much was it? Was it a lot?
It's a whole bag, probably like
Under 20? Yeah, it's gonna be under 20. Okay. All right. All right, brother. I'm gonna get you out of here. I'm gonna take you out of the handcuffs, okay?
Look, alright, yeah, it's cause like, you feel me? This was like I said, that stuff you see in that trunk, that black bag, all my friends, you see my car not the cleanest, so it's like, I don't be really checking it. It's my car, so you feel me?
What black bag?
That black bag is in the trunk, full of clothes. That's,
Okay.
You feel me?
Okay.
You see, you're not gonna.
Is there anything in that?
It's just full of clothes. That's
Okay.
his clothes. Like, you feel me? All my friends be leaving stuff in my car, and you
Right.
know, I don't be in the backseat or passenger in my car, so I don't really
let
check
me
what's in my
let me
car.
tell you this. I'm not concerned about, like I said before, I'm not concerned about weed. Okay? That's why I just said I'm gonna take you out of here and take handcuffs. The only thing I'm gonna ask you to do, okay, because we're not done. All right, I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs, let you go hang out with your girl because she's worried, right? We're just gonna issue what's called a civil citation. Okay?
Is it gonna suspend my life? Please don't.
No, it has
suspend my
nothing. It's
license.
not criminal. It's not criminal.
Is it gonna be a
It
point?
has nothing to do with. It has nothing to do with driving. Has nothing to do with anything like that. Okay. What a civil citation is, it's basically just like it's a fine that's paid through the city civilly. Okay. It's $100. That's it.
700?
100.
Okay.
$100.
That's what I was worried about because I don't want my
It's
life.
not criminal. It has nothing to do with your license. It has nothing to do with
Is it gonna be
with
on my
you
record?
driving. No, it's not criminal whatsoever. It's civil. Okay, so civil means not criminal. All right, so it's not going to go on any record. It has nothing to do with any of that. Okay, like in our paperwork, it's going to say that you got a civil citation, but that means that you had under 20 grams of weed, right? Because that weed up front that you told me about, obviously that's yours. So, it's again not a big deal. It's weed. Like I said, I'm taking you out now, and I'm going to take you out of handcuffs. That's it. Why do you seem concerned?
Because I don't need them. You see on my record, like I may not have the best license, but you see, I never went.
I trust me. I looked you up. You don't have like an arrest history like that or anything. You had a couple things when you were a juvenile that you have reports for, but there's nothing like
crazy or
right. There's nothing crazy or anything like that. Okay, so why don't we get you out of here? All right, get you a little bit more comfortable. Okay, and then like I said, we're gonna get you a civil citation. All right, turn around, face the car for me. I just need you put your wrists out a little bit like that, just so I can get through here. Yep, perfect. You can just stay right there. Perfect.
When is the certain day I gotta pay the gun? Like 30 days?
Yeah, it's one of those things. And I'll be honest with you, I don't even know what happens if you don't pay it.
No, I always pay. Like I said, you
Okay.
see, I gotta take because I pay all my
Right.
all my
Right.
stuff
And like I
tonight.
said, it's $100. It's not a big deal.
Would I have to go to the clerk?
You can pay. There's a bunch of different ways that you can pay it. When I print it out and give it to you, you're gonna see it'll have like all the options on there what you can do. Okay.
All right.
All right. So just do me a favor. Just don't. Unless he's done. Are you done with the car?
Yeah.
All right. I'm just gonna get him a civil and get him out of here.
Okay.
Hey, who got my key?
We have your key over here.
He's right there. All right. Let's talk about what happened.
Oh, you tell me. Yeah.
So she's super cool, super cooperative. He's your daughter, like super cooperative. You want me to talk to her and be like, hey, you know, I'm gonna go home. I'd be like, do you know like how he got it or anything like that or whatever, and see what she says.
Just roll it. Yeah, yeah. That's fine.